Hey everybody, Deb Tomorrow Realtor here. Gorgeous fall day. Look at the color of that sky with those clouds. Beautiful. So coincidentally, I am at 4850 October Drive, which is in a neighborhood called Autumn Ridge, very appropriate for this time of year. There's September Drive, October Drive, so they're all kind of named after the fall, which is kind of fun. This is a really nice little community. There's about 35 homes in here. You are a Bloomington address on the edge of Ellettsville, you know, that area where it's still Edgewood schools, but it's a Bloomington address, so it's kind of county. Super convenient to get to the east side, Bloomington, downtown. Ellettsville has almost everything that you need to, so you don't have to go very far. But very nice community. But what I want is for you to watch this whole tour, because this is a really large unit with a lot of opportunities and options. It doesn't look the way that they have them set up in order to afford kind of as much privacy as possible. It doesn't look very big from the outside, but I'm telling you, it is really big and really nice. So come on in and take a look. Okay, so I am standing right at the front door, and let me kind of give you the lay of the land. There are on this level 3 bedrooms, and that's kind of unique in this neighborhood. Most of the units in here do have full basements, but many of them only have 2 bedrooms upstairs and then another bedroom downstairs. This has everything you need, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths on the main level, and there's an additional bathroom and lots of extra space for storage or whatever you might need on the lower level. So 3 bedrooms, living room back here, primary bedroom is off the back as well, and then kitchen, and then there's a garage entrance as well, and the stairs down to the lower level, which are nice and open. And I like that it's got a landing right there so you can sit and take a rest as you're coming up the stairs. So, all right, which way do we go? Let's do kitchen first. So we've got a big coat closet here, like a huge double coat closet, could be pantry storage. And then the kitchen, vaulted ceilings, really lovely cabinets, spotlessly clean stainless steel appliances. And then you do have room for a small table here. It is open to the more formal dining area, so you're not completely sequestered. I know a lot of people like this where the kitchen is a little bit separate because you don't always want to stare at your dirty dishes. And also, as I like to say, how can you sneak a cookie when everybody's watching TV if the kitchen's in the middle of the living room? Then you've got a laundry here as well with a nice laundry sink. And then the garage, I'll show you, give you a quick peek too. So 2 steps down into the garage, there's 2 steps up to the front porch. Very large garage. You know, just a really good size, oversized. You can see that in addition, you know, a lot of houses, it's just the garage door, that's the width, but you've got this whole space over here. So this tells you kind of how much wider this garage is than a lot of typical garages. Okay. Always good to see boxes, means people are moving. Got a nice window here, so some good light coming in from the front porch. Alrighty, and then this is the first bedroom. They're using it kind of as an office or a music room. I love the arch in the window. So it's not just like a sterile condo, there's got some personality. Double closet there as well. And then between this and the other bedroom, there is a full bath. Then this is the second bedroom. This is a queen size bed, just to kind of give you an idea of size. You could definitely get a king size bed in here if you needed. The primary bedroom is quite large as well. So these are very comfortable size rooms. This is the dining area. Again, some nooks and some lighting to give it some interest. But some good sized pieces of furniture in here. Again, this is good space. And then into the living room, you've got vaulted ceilings in here again, fireplace. And let me show you this too. I love this. Not all the units in here have this, so this kind of makes it special too. Oops, door locked. To this sunroom, 3 seasons. It's not heated and cooled. I suppose it could be. This would be a great space to put in one of those little mini split systems if you wanted to use this more year round. But it has all these pretty windows. And then a great view of the woods. There's a little bit of a deck out here as well. So if you wanted to, do your grilling, and they've got a little table out here, and then there's steps down because the downstairs also walks out. So it kind of ends up down there. And again, this is a condo, so the association is taking care of the lawn and leaves and things like that. So definitely ease of living. So back into this space. And then the primary bedroom, which is quite large. This is a queen size bed. So again, plenty of room for a king size. A couple different options. You could probably put the bed coming this way as well. She's got even a desk and then all this floor space. So much room for activities. You could definitely have a seating area with a couch or something like that if you wanted. There is a walk-in closet that is quite large. And then an ensuite bath. It's got double vanities, separate water closet. There is a soaking tub, and then a walk-in shower. There you go. And that is just half the story. So I'm going to take you down into the lower level, and you can do all your living up here and just use the lower level for conditioned storage, which is nice if you're downsizing and you're not really sure what to do with your stuff. And you can keep it in nice conditioned storage while you kind of work through it and figure out what you want to keep. But it's also great for visitors, extended family, multi-generational. So there's lots and lots of options in that lower level. Okay, so I just came down the stairs, and I do want to show that there is a door down here at the bottom of the stairs for separation, which does make it great if you are looking at like a multi-generational home where everybody can kind of have some privacy. But this is a really interesting space. The uses for it are kind of endless, and you just need to be creative on how you would use it. So this is sort of at the bottom of the stairs. There's sort of this lounge area. I think they had like a little couch and a TV, could be an office space. Could be a lot of different things. And then off of that, there's a small storage room, sump pump. So this is sort of unfinished storage. Very neat and dry. The ceilings are very tall. They're probably at least 9-foot ceilings. So you don't feel like basementy down here. And then off of this, there's another huge unfinished space, which could be finished. It was a workshop for a previous owner. You can see the poured concrete walls. Again, very tall ceilings. Let me come back into this corner and kind of show you. There's another sink there. So really nice space. Yeah, I think the previous owner had some work tables and things like that in here to do some woodworking. This is just your furnace, water heater. And then remember that door, because we're going to come back to that, but I'm going to come around this way. It does make a big circle. So then there's another set of doors here, which both of them could be open to kind of have the spaces flow. This is an enormous room too. So just depending on how you needed it. I mean, this whole area could be a guest suite. It could be, another living room. If you've got family coming to visit, they could just kind of have the run of this area down here. There is a door to the outside here as well. I want to point out too, the HOA fees here are $165 a month. So very reasonable for what you get. And then you've got a full bath with a shower in here. So this is the third full bath. So there's that space again. And then this is, let me back up here so you can see, this door is the one I just pointed out in the workshop area. So it's just another view, so it makes a circle back to the stairs over there. You can kind of see the stairs there. And then there's one more storage space here as well. So again, I really see this as like if you're someone thinking I probably need to downsize some, but you're not quite ready to do it, this is a kind of home where you can sort of live on the main level, have your things, kind of figure out what you need to downsize, and do it on your own time. So I see a lot of potential with this. It's really in lovely condition. It's been very lightly lived in. So I invite you to come take a look at 4850 October Drive.